Hello guys, my name is Manny and I bought a toy microscope. It's a National Geographic toy microscope for cheap $14 or 800 pesos in Philippine peso. Yes, it's a surplus. It has a dual objective for its stereo microscope, and I added an arm for holding a PCB. It takes 2 batteries overlay. It's a National Geographic 20 times stereo microscope. What is as is, I mean. I already added an eyepiece since it does not include an eyepiece when I bought it. Not bad for a $14 microscope, huh? And I already converted this to a tilt stand. I made a still stand for this. Yeah, that's some of my modifications. So let's see how clear this microscope can get your specimen. Alright, so what if I got my Sony a6000 camera and put it up, mount it on the cheap microscope. Okay, let's see. I made this homemade adapter, eyepiece adapter for my telescope, and it works with microscope also. Let's see. There you go. As you can see, not bad. Okay, so I already converted this into a technician's microscope. I added an arm to hold PCBs like this, there, so you could see what you're soldering. Alright. Also have the lamp. Alright, let's see. Let's see how clear this microscope can get your specimen inside. Okay. Not bad. But hit record in this mirrorless camera and see how clear can it get. Alright. Okay. So not bad for a technician's microscope. But what I want to check it out if this can take a good close-up of specimens as well, especially live specimens. So I want to have an ant right there. Okay, so this is a live ant specimen I put under this National Geographic microscope. It's very cheap. Bought it for only $14. Okay. And yes, I'm recording it with my Sony a6000 mirrorless camera. You can see the mandible, the head, the arms and torso are twitching. The objective is 20 times power, and it's just very clear. Look at that. It's very good quality, although I consider this as a toy because it's made up of plastic. But I'm sure the glass, the objective is glass, but most of its parts are plastic. The only metal in this one is the barrel, but everything, the focusing, the body, the stand, it's all plastic. But yeah, it feels like a toy. It's small, but the qualities, the optical qualities seems very good. And yes, I will be using this as my laboratory electronics repair microscope for cell phones. Okay, so that's it, and that's some of my modifications on this one to make it usable for my work and for my repairs. And that's it for now. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.